Hello. Is it recording? Welcome to KILOK TV, and I'm your host, Jose. My first time here, so like I don't know what to say. All I know is I lost my burro. Do you know where my burro is? But I gotta look for my burro. So I'll let KILOK take over it. Oh, he's fast. Okay, this is Jose signing out and letting KILOK take over. KILOK. Thank you, Jose, for the introduction. Welcome to KILOK TV, guys, and I am your host, KILOK. Jose had a, he begged me to start the vlog, guys, so why not? As you could tell, it's not our typical vlog. It's night, which we travel to Mexico at night. Today I got the compa Morphine. The behind the scenes, guys. You guys don't see behind the scenes, Today we are here with La Pulga. Sheesh. No, I've been using the GoPro. I'm kind of liking it. I'm liking it because it doesn't not unfocus, if that makes sense. But anyway, guys, today we got La Pulga in action. It's a 2016 Ford Fiesta ST. It's a 1.6, guys. I think that has been pretty much done on there. It's an upgraded turbo, so we have the Garrett 2860R, the second gen. We got a tile wastegate, we got a tile blow-off valve, no brand intercooler, a downpipe, some R1 concept brakes. We got the Mishimoto catch can, and we got the Mishimoto intake. I know she a little dirty, but the party is ready to party, guys. So today's vlog, we're gonna go out with the compa Fresh. We've been meaning to do a collab for the longest with the Subi, but as I told you guys last time, rec car is down. So I don't know. I know he did that on purpose. Yeesh. I don't know. Manny SS. Ese Manny. What's up, Manny? Anyway, guys, that shit's cam, son. Woo. Anyway, so we do have it on an E30 tune. So we're here to put the Corman juice on. So let me go ahead, fill it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and meet with El Compa Fresh, and then we'll continue the vlog there. So we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So we're finally here. We're out here with El Compa Fresh. We're about to run this thing finally. Finally, that Pulga is just a 1.6, guys. And then we got the Mustang. Let's come out here and see Mr. Fresh out here. What's good, baby? How you doing?
Chilling.
It's been a minute, man. I know we've been trying to set this up for the longest, but we were supposed to run with the STI, but that shit ain't working right now. Yeah. So the second best thing is this thing, right? So talk to us a little bit about what you got here, man.
It's stock ecoboost.
It's stock after he starts pulling on them.
It's an ecoboost. It's a 15. I've upgraded with intercooler, intake. It's a catless downpipe. I upgraded my turbo, and it's on an E30 tune.
E30 tune? Who tuned it?
It's PD tuning.
Nice. So what would you say you keep up with in your range?
Supposedly on my access port it says I'm pushing 353 and 433 torque, but I haven't actually taken it to a dyno yet.
Right.
So I want to see. I want to take it, but
to see what you put in action almost on a dyno. I know that thing supposedly reads that's making like 300 and something. That shit, trust me, it's not making 300 and something, I promise you. But damn, guys, look, we got that 2.3 turbo, guys. Sheesh. Hey, even though it's just an EcoBoost, guys, I'm pretty sure that things does damage. A lot of people underestimate the EcoBoost. I mean, stock, it's a 50-50. I'm not gonna lie, but once you upgrade these puppies, I'm pretty sure they do damage. It's pretty much an RS engine, guys. The only thing is just running the rear-wheel drive system. Hey, Morphin, real quick, what do you think? What's your honest prognostication?
I don't know.
I mean, you don't know. You don't know anything.
You're lighter.
Chancho is lighter.
Chancho.
Chancho is lighter. Shout out to Chancho, guys, because without Chancho, you know, he's working right now, so we gotta take it out, do that good stuff.
Take the spare key.
Yes, guys, so we do got, thanks to Chancho, we're gonna go ahead. I will let you know how it does. My prognostication, to be honest, I mean, I know those are light as well, but this is a little bit lighter, but I don't know. Our weight will compensate for it, so. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. Hopefully, I have a good faith it'll do pretty good on a 40. I think it'll take probably a dub on a 40. Who knows at a higher one, because this is not good. I think it's kind of good for more of a mid-range rather than a top end, you know? So we just gonna find out. 40, 50, 60 rolls, or what you looking at?
40, 45s, and 50s.
40, 45, and 50s. Yeah. Cool.
That's what you 60s.
I will do a 62. We'll do 4 runs if you want.
Yeah.
Es todo. No se raja, vale. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put you guys on the hat mount, and then we'll see you guys in Mexico. That's just quite of a drive, guys. Quite of a drive. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Miren, ahí está.
Oh my God.
Deja. Estamos en México. Nuestro México. Hasta el aire se siente diferente. Después de tantos años.
Apenas puedo creerlo. Cuando salimos y cruzamos el puente de ilegales.
All right, tacuachones. So we are on our way to Mexico. This is the first time I'm actually gonna do like this POV kind of style, guys. I'm really hoping that the fucking wind doesn't fuck this up. So the only reason I'm gonna be riding with the window down is because better lighting. Ready? Mister, god damn it. This motherfucker. All right, one more time. I keep fucking messing up there.
Takeoff, I feel like it would get him from my back angle, but I feel like on the top end, it would take you on the top. But other than that, man, I think great run overall. Hell of a run, dude. Hell of a run.
I think I had him was going from 3rd to 4th. That was probably like a 45 roll, 45, 50 roll.
Yeah.
So, but over that, damn, this thing fucking moves, dude. Yeah. A lot of people do underestimate that thing, and that thing fucking moves, dude. I am pretty impressed, to be honest. For an ecoboost, I'm telling you, that's a low-key, a 5-0 little killer there. It a little fresh, it a smile from cheek to cheek. What were your impressions, bro?
It was good. I think it was good. Dude, it felt good. The car felt good today.
Hey, you know what? For being carro ajeno, I think it did all right. Dude, for being an eco, man, that thing moves. It moves. So I do say it's like a little 5-0 sleeper killer.
A little baby 5-0.
Shit, that's just fucking tight. And there you guys have it, guys. That was the Ford Eco, the 2.3. I know I missed 3rd a couple times, as you guys can see. I mean, I haven't driven stick in a while because, you know, rev tire's down and whatnot. Overall, dope runs, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you guys do want Chancho, man, I mean, like I said, Chancho got that driver mod for his car. He knows how to move his car. He knows how to bang them gears on his car. So if you guys think Chancho should do that rerun, if you guys think he could take this ecoboost out, definitely go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I want to go ahead and shout out, like I said, my boy Chancho, letting us use his car for the vlog. Shout out to my boy Fresh. Thank you for having me for this vlog, man. I appreciate it. He did make it very interesting, and he did give me, you know, the run for my money with no money, you know what I mean? If you guys want more runs like that, definitely go ahead, hit that the like button, comment down below. And we want to go ahead and thank El Compa Fresh out here for inviting us out for the runs in Mexico, right? Like always, right? If they could go ahead and follow you on social media, where can they follow you at, man?
It's my Instagram's fresh_2.3, but it's not an E on the fresh, it's a 3.
Damn.
And my Snapchat's DJ Fresh with a 3.
There you go, guys.
Hold on, guys, let me go see if he wants to run it.
You're not down. All right, definitely, guys. He just recently got his 1,000 subscribers, guys. So go ahead and check him out. I do like this guy's content, definitely. I know it's gonna take a while, man. But as long as you just keep going at it, you should do all. You know, you should do well, man. Well, Tacuachones, that's gonna be all for today. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do want more videos, comment down below. If you guys know of people around the IE area, maybe they want to run it, we'll have Chancholini go ahead and do the job for us, guys. So this is DJ KILOK. Actually, not DJ KILOK. This is KILOK TV. This is KILOK signing out. Do what you love what you do, guys. To the next vlog. Deuces.